To finish up our letter activities this week, we are going to make a V for Volcano craft. For your craft today, you're going to need a pencil, some glue, scissors, a red marker, a yellow marker, or crayons. You're going to need a couple pieces of white paper, and you're going to need a brown or black piece of paper. If you don't have a brown or black piece of paper, you can just use a brown or black marker or crayon to make your white paper black, okay? So let's get started. Our first job is going to be to make a V. We're gonna make the letter V. No, we're not. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make a big letter V to glue onto our volcano. So I'm gonna take my pencil and we're gonna make a bubble letter V, not just a one line V, okay? We want it to be big and bold. So I'm gonna show you right now how to do that. So we're gonna do a little line across, just like that. And then on the outside of that line, I'm gonna use a marker so you can see it a little bit better. You use a pencil in case you make a mistake, you can erase it, okay? So we're gonna do a little line across, that's better. And then we're gonna do a big line down sideways, all the way to the bottom, like our letter V. Now, on the inside, we're gonna do a long sideways line down, and I'm gonna stop before I get to the bottom, okay? So I've kind of made like a branch there. So now, on the inside line, I'm going to make a sideways line up and stop around the same height as this line. We're gonna do a little line across, and then that line, we're gonna do, at the end of this line, we're gonna do another big line sideways down. Look at that, you just made a big V. Amazing. Now, before we cut that out, we're gonna make our volcano shape, okay? So on the black piece of paper, if you have a white pencil crayon, that would work really good, or you'll be able to see your pencil or your dark marker too. You're gonna have to press a little bit hard. So we're gonna make our volcano shape. So from the bottom of our paper, we're going to do a big line sideways and up. There you go. And stop about that far away from the top of the paper. Now we're gonna do a big line across. And stop. Now we're gonna do another big sideways line down, all the way to the bottom. Great. That's gonna be the base of our volcano. So we need to cut that out. So I have my V, my base of my volcano, and I have another white piece of paper that I'm going to glue the base of my volcano onto, just like that. So, you know what? I'm looking at our volcano, and we don't have very much room for the eruption, for the lava to come shooting out. So you could make your volcano even a little bit smaller by cutting sideways up, across, and sideways down. Let's do that. Let's make our volcano a little bit smaller. So we're gonna go sideways, line up. Now we're gonna go across, and then sideways, line down. We're getting so good at cutting paper and doing different kinds of crafts, hey? There, that's better. We're gonna glue our volcano on to our paper. Made a little shape in there. Okay. Glue it on. Make sure it's nice and flat. Great. Time to cut out our letter V. Sideways line up. Across. Now look at this. I'm going to cut all the way across. Now I have less paper to deal with. Cut inside, little line down. There we go. Line down, sideways, yoink. There we go. Now, Miss.Morrow has bigger scissors and bigger hands and has been cutting a lot longer. So don't worry if you can't cut as fast as Miss.Morrow. You just do your very best job. Now we're gonna glue our V onto our volcano just like that. There, awesome. It's time to add our lava shooting out, erupting out of the volcano. I have a yellow marker, I have a red marker, an orange marker. Perfect. The lava is really red. It's like fire sometimes coming out. Whoa. There, and it drips down the mountain and sometimes even onto the land below. There, whoa. Maybe some drips even coming out like that. Wow. Add some orange in there. Some yellow. Smoke comes out of the volcano too. Maybe that would be some black big clouds like that coming out. Smoke and steam because it's so hot. Oh, nice. Amazing. Cool volcano.